In this lesson, we're going to go a little deeper into flats, naturals, and sharps by listening to some examples and playing some music so you can start to hear the difference between flat, natural, and sharp notes. So we're going to listen to example 50 to start off with. Okay, so in our first example, what we're going to hear is that we have a regular D note, a D5 note. Then we're going to add a flat symbol to it. It's going to change how the D note sounds. Then when we add a natural accidental to it, it's going to bring the D5 note back to sounding normal. So the notes we're going to have are D5, D flat 5, and then D5. And sure enough, you'd hear ba, ba, ba. Those are different sounds. Those are different pitches. That flat accidental there is actually changing the pitch of the D note. Now let's listen to, we're going to do D5 to D sharp 5 to D5. So the D5 is going to sound like a regular D5. The D sharp 5 is going to sound a little bit higher. It's going to change the pitch. It's going to make it sound a little bit higher. And then that natural accidental is going to bring us back to that regular D5 where we started. And sure enough, ba, ba, ba. Those are different pitches. The D, well, that right here I'm singing a D3. D3, D sharp 3, D3, D3, D flat 3, D3. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play a couple of notes and actually call out the sharps and flats for them as we go. So we have D, D flat, D, D sharp. Oh, definitely different notes. Now let's do A sharp, back to A, or A natural now because we're canceling out the sharp, to A flat, back to A natural, cancel out the flat. And you can hear that all those notes are different. That's an A, that's a G. That G is different from the A flat. Listen to that. G natural or G, A flat, A natural, A sharp. All different pitches, all different sounds. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.